What's up, everybody? Today is April the 13th, and I have some Temu. And we about to unbox this thing and see what we got, you know what I mean? So, it's just something I wanted to get real quick for, we're gonna see what it is. And as you can see, I'm doing the video on my patio because I want to do some more stuff out here, but I wanted to be more respectful to the people that's around. But I'm gonna start doing some stuff out here because it feels good out here. The scenery is cool. Get some of that wind, some outdoors, so y'all can't say, "Oh, you don't never go outside." I'm gonna go on my patio. Be on the patio. So with that being said, this is just a little tip of it. We're gonna have some fun. So there's a lot of stuff in here. So this one right here, it is some tips for to play the guitar. That's what this is. Some tips to play the guitar. It's like 8 of them or something, or maybe 10. What else I got? What is this? This is like, you know how people be brushing their teeth? They got the toothpaste. You put the toothpaste stuff in here, put it in the thing, and all you gotta do is just put your toothbrush in there, and it dispenses the toothpaste on there. So I got that. I think I got 2 of them if I'm not mistaken. One for each bathroom. I have a flash drive. It's a high speed. It's so I could take the videos and pictures off my phone, off my iPhone, and be able to put it on my laptop, so I could have more space for my phone. That way I don't have to worry about it overfilling. And what else we got? Got a lot of stuff here. And this right here, this is what I was looking for. This is right here is so, you know how I was talking about when I play the guitar, y'all don't never see me use my left hand. But this right here is supposed to be a setting so it can help me get used to using my left hand on the guitar. So hopefully this works. I definitely gonna try it out today and see if it goes right. What else we got? Luckily I know what most of this stuff are. So this one right here is you know how males be trying to cut their facial hair and all this and that, So this one right here is the fact that I could stick the thing, the little sticker part, the little cups on here. Let me see. Right here, I could put it against the glass and then have it on around my neck. So when I cut my facial hair, it be caught up on here and it won't be making no mess all on my sinks and stuff. So what did this for? A lot of stuff, huh? A lot of stuff. This knee brace. It say medium. I think I should have got a large. But I like the color black and green because I like green. So I got me a knee brace. There's a lot of stuff in this bag. What is this? This one is a video capture. It's a 4K video capture. So this right here, let me see if I can open it up. Let's see, video capture. So I have when I was up in Germany and I did my boxing, it's on VHS. This right here is so I could transfer my stuff from VHS cassette to digital. So that way I could have a copy on digital and I could be able to upload my old videos that I did back when I was in Germany or somewhere else on VHS, put it on digital, that way it could be more compatible. This, I have no idea what it is. This is hand wash. I have no idea what this one is. Let me open it up. I ordered so many things and they all came in today. Oh, some gloves, some regular gloves. Got some more gloves. They might be too small for me. I might have to. If it's too small, I'm gonna do a giveaway and give them away. But we'll see. It's pretty lot of stuff on here, right? I didn't think I had this much in this little bag. Oh, okay. These right here are some compression socks, and they're blue and white. Why not? We getting older. Might as well protect ourselves. Here's the other one. This is the toothbrush, toothpaste dispenser. So I had 2 of them for each bathroom. This one right here, this is for when you pick. So when you try to pick on the guitar, it won't mess up your nails. I could use this as the pick. I'm trying to make stuff easy for me. What else is in this bag? I have no idea what this is. This is, it look like, what the hell is this? Let me see if I can open it. These some socks, some other socks. I don't remember ordering these, but I guess they some footy socks. I'm definitely gonna do this a giveaway. That's how I don't really care for this color, so I'm gonna give this one away. I don't know. It's a white 35 through 43. So if you could fit that, when I do my giveaway, you guys gonna put in for to get this right here, because I don't think I'm gonna wear that at all. So let me see. That's it. So that is all I have for right now for my Temu, or however y'all want to say it. You know, that's what we're gonna be doing for today. Later on, I just wanted to see how some of this stuff is when I order some stuff. But I definitely want to go get some clothes because I like to work out in different clothes. So with that being said, you know, I gotta do what I gotta do. And they just squeezed everything up in this bed and everything fit. So, but my main thing I really wanted was this right here, the flash drive. So it's supposed to be compatible with my iPhone, so I could put it in. I could hook it up from my iPhone and also plug it up into my laptop. And once I plug it into my laptop, I could transfer all my stuff from my phone to my external hard drive. That way I could free up more space on my phone because my phone is getting kind of full. You know what I mean? Especially with the videos and pictures, because I did a lot of my stuff on my phone. And these right here, I wanted to try to learn this so I could get better with the guitar because, one, I like doing music with y'all, singing out these songs for y'all, and we're going to see how it goes. Then we got the toothpaste dispenser. We're going to see how that goes as well. I'm not even trying to put it in there in any kind of way. I'm just stuffing them back in there because I'm just going to take them back out later and put them where I wanted to be. But yeah, this is what I have for the Temu, my first Temu unboxing. Temu, ooh. But yeah, with that being said, I hope everybody appreciate, or you know, just let me know what you think about the stuff that I have. And if you think it's anything that I could probably think I could get for myself that would benefit me on the production of my awesomeness, please let me know. So with that being said, just remember to do stuff at your own pace, own moderation. Make sure you stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell because, you know, I'll be dropping all kinds of crazy videos on my channel. And with music, workouts, all kinds of stuff, motorcycle, fitness, mountains, you know, it is what it is. So with that being said, I'll holler at y'all later. Remember, peace and hair grease. Ooh-wee.